Yeah, so for example, I just need this one and a set of pens. Then I can just bring this, grab and go. And same thing with here. If I don't need my cat's planner, I just need my to-do list and my home planner. Then that's what I'm gonna bring. I think I'll keep it as that because it's more likely this is gonna be the setup. But let's see if I can fit both or all three in here, since it's a bit thick anyway. Ooh, I can, you know, like, let's see. Yeah, it's chunky, and yeah, but I'll definitely need to bring this with me here, so I'll keep it as that so that I won't lock it in. Now I want to see what's in here. So I bought 2 of these apparently because probably I really like what's in there, but let's see, because sometimes I buy 2 of one item because I don't want to feel bad for using them. So clouds or smoke, pink smoke on top of a car. Love. Let's see. That's cute. Yeah, lots of cute stuff. So yeah, good decision for buying 2 sets of these. I think they are stickers. Yeah, love them so much, and I want to bring them with me. So that's one. Yeah, I'll keep them in a plastic bag because I don't want them spilling everywhere. And this one, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, so cool. Please, this one is cool. That's bohemian style, is it? And this one too. I hope you're seeing all of this. I'm not projecting on my TV. Yeah, yep, I'll bring this as well. I'm not gonna show everything. Maybe you'll just see them on my spread when I use them up. So that's 2. This one. I'll put this one on here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, fancy Miss Mancy. You see? So cute. So tiny also. Speaking of tiny sizes, I'd probably need to bring a ruler with me. I want a foldable one, so if ever I find one, I'll put them in the mermaid pouch. Yeah, this one. So yeah, I'll bring this as well. Love some variety in my life, which is good to have an option. And then this one, traveling. Yeah, so cute. That's with a bird. Yeah, some fun stuff. I think it's kind of steampunky, right? Steampunky. It's spring here, so I'm full of colors. It's lovely weather here in Australia. If it's not storming. But yeah, it's been lovely lately at the beach, and I haven't swam yet. Okay, what about this one? I'll probably bring some of these. So these are like cardboard or cardstock. Okay. Yeah, just 2. And some books. Oh, did I just close that one up. Oh no, I don't. Ooh, what if I bring this whole pouch and put it in there instead of those crappy plastics? Because this is a bit thinner now. Let's see. Can they fit? Yes, please. They can fit. Okay, okay. Let's use it. Let's use it. Gave you my heart, but the very next day gave it away. Guys, are you ready for Christmas? I bet most of you are. Like with all your gifts for your family and friends, how lucky you are. And nowadays we consider those people spending time with their family and friends, I mean Christmas, as rich. The truly rich people are the ones who spend it with good friends, good family. Is that how I want it to be? Now, hold on. Because I don't want them to just be one, you know, like, I don't want them to be bumpy on one side. So maybe I'll keep it like that. This one's on top. Oh, yeah, I'll just get 2 of these and put these back to the. Now I forgot what I was talking about. This one's I'll probably just. Can they fit? Yeah. Let's see. On the pouches here. Yes, yes, perfect. Gave you my heart, very next day, gave it away. This year, gave me from kids, gave it to someone special. Yeah. That's it for now. I'll probably fill it up as I go. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Sorry my videos have been crappy lately. But yeah, let's see. Let's see this item first before I say goodbye. Because this looks like a really good PET set. Again, whoa, yes, in love with you forever. You are the hero of my heart. Oh, so cute. I'll definitely bring this with me, please. See, this is why I said, like, I'll just probably fill it up as I go. As I go. Yes, Penny. And dark style. Halloween has passed, so I'm not gonna bring that. Oh, I already have like PT versions of this, but good to have as well. Cottages, houses, yes, I'll bring them. Give it to me, baby. Oh, cardstock style. This is gonna make my planners, my Hobonichis really thick. And let's limit how I use them, you know? I don't want them to be too chunky. Chunky like their owner. Yeah, that's that. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, wonderful life. Wonderful life. I don't know if that's a real song. Oh, lovely. Springtime, yes, yes, yes. Let's bring them here. Oh, my cat. I don't know. Yeah, okay, at the bottom part. Cool. What about this one? Frames. Never enough frames. You can never have enough frames in your life. Frames, 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 frames. Okay, okay. Yeah, wooden frames. How do we want to display this then? But it's gonna spill. Okay, let's put them in the pouch. Pouch in the middle. Perfect. Oh no, my cat's zooming. Zooming. That's that. And the last one, this is too big. I don't think I wanna bring this, whatever this is. Oh, chairs. But it's nice, right? Birds, yes. Chair while studying. And when I feel like I need more freedom. Okay. Let's just bring them all in then. Easy to talk to. Hey, let's see. That's a very comfy pouch to bring at the library or at what's so. That's not a good look with a thing there, but let's see. Why are you doing that? It's fine, I guess. It's fine. Oh, I just needed to okay, that's it. And that's that. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.